Hey guys, it's me TraderEm from Wallstreet Billionaires. As you know, this is my first video and I plan to do market review like this almost all days. So let's get started. First of all, so let's start with the King BTC, of course. So I'm looking at the BTC USD pair Bybit. So there is nothing currently special about Bitcoin right now. This it's kind of just ranging for me, like it's been in the same pattern as since yesterday. So I'm looking at the main two levels, like this daily level here about 22,729 and the weekly level about here 23,480. So it's just basically the reactions I get from any point on these levels. So as you can see, we do have a monthly open and weekly open here. So reclaiming that with the weekly level right here 23,480 can give us a boost to about 24k. Yeah, that's a good trade, but I'm just waiting for currently nothing is going on in the market, so it's basically just money flowing to the alts. But as you know, if BTC isn't stable, we cannot trade alts, like we cannot swing trade alts. So basically just I intend to wait for BTC to make a right direction, I guess. Yeah, something like that. So basically, in short, I am just waiting for one of the levels to BTC to reclaim any one levels, and definitely I will choose a bullish alt if we were to reclaim the weekly level right here. Yeah, I would choose a good alt, and extra, yeah, I would take BTC up. Yeah, BTC ETF tokens. That's a good option, I guess, for spot trading. If you want more risk, you also get more profit for that. So that's likewise. I intend to trade some other coins like Fed. It just looks promising. So nothing kind of big about that. No, I think no events coming too. So Fed just looks bullish here. So I am targeting at the high. It is basic reclaim a key level and it just goes shooting. So that's it. Nothing kind of special about that. And the same here with QTM. So currently I'm aiming for this strong high here, of course. So first of all, we need to close at least a 4 hour above this, and to hold above the monthly open is the main thing I'm looking for right now. We also had about 2 fake outs currently. Yeah, we have about 2 fake outs currently. So I'm looking a clean reclaim of monthly open without a fake out. Yeah, that's also, and we will boost up to 4.470. That's about, yeah, that's a nice decent profit like that. And next up, I am looking for the GMT trade like this. Yesterday I posted this in the group, so check it out. By the way, I do have this AFTM trade that I've been planned, but nothing has happened. So this is basically like let's claim the last daily level, and we get a boost about the strong high here for 0.30. Yeah, of course, this wouldn't happen if for BTC does not behave. So as you know, this is the target I'm aiming for. So if we you usually we get a bearish reaction at a strong highs. So first things, I will wait for a reclaim of 0.38 to re-enter the long position. So then my targets are the daily levels here. So that's it. I'm sorry if my first video is this trash, I don't know. So I need your review to do better the next time. So guys, next time please post in the group what reviews you need, any coin specifically. So thank you for watching the stream. Thank you. So guys, don't forget about the cover launch on August 31. So I expect most likely we are about to get a good trade, so don't miss the chance. And always remember, I'm planning on to buy this a few 1 week before, I think. Yeah, I will do it based on technical analysis. So it all comes to a TA, but the volume and of the event adds a bit more. What to say, a bit more volume means it's good to trade. So it's good to trade when mixed with the events such as this and technical analysis. But it all comes down to TA. Okay, so based on that, I am looking forward to this cover 11 launch. Thank you. That's all for today.